Hello my fellow researchers, it's Jason here and I'm back at it again with another video in this video series, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to filter and sort in Excel using lists. And I'll briefly explain the task we have ahead of us here. Now I've been provided a data table, and in this data table I've got four variables: superhero, height, weight, and power rating. And I have a number of superheroes here in the list, 8 to be exact, and these values are all hypothetical values, of course. But my goal is to populate another data table with the same variables. However, the list of superheroes is different. Essentially, I'm only interested in these four superheroes, and I want the data to be in this order. So what we have to do essentially is remove the superheroes that I don't want in my new data table, and then reorder the data so that it is looking like this. Now you could do a VLOOKUP here and then drag it down and drag it across and manipulate it a little bit, and that will work for a small table like this. However, when you have a lot of variables across the top here, there is some room for error when you're doing your VLOOKUP. So rather than doing a VLOOKUP and pulling values into this table, why don't I just sort and filter this table so that it looks like this, okay? So that's what we're going to do here. Now the first step is to remove the superheroes that I don't want. So essentially I'm just going to highlight this first column here, okay? I'm going to go to Advanced Filter under the Data ribbon here. So click on Advanced, and now I want to filter the list in place. My list range has already been pre-selected, as you can see, and my criteria range is where I'm going to select the list that I want, so the superheroes that I want. So I'm going to click on this button right here to allow me to then choose that list, just like that. I'm going to hit Enter, and now you can see it there. So I'm going to click OK, and voila. We have Hulk, Thor, Thanos, and Black Widow, and let's just check. Hulk, Thor, Thanos, and Black Widow. Great. So we filtered it. Now it hasn't removed the other rows. You can see here, the rows are hidden there. But we have brought the table down to the four superheroes that we want. Now what I want to do is I want to reorder these guys. So what you're going to have to do is create a custom list. Now to do that, you're going to want to go to File, go to Options, go to Advanced, go all the way down to Edit Custom Lists. I'm going to hit Edit Custom Lists. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to import lists from cells. So click this button right here, and we're going to grab our list just like that. Hit Enter, and I'm going to click Import, and there it is. Thanos, Thor, Hulk, Black Widow. Thanos, Thor, Hulk, Black Widow. This is the order of my list. So I'm going to hit OK. Thanos, Thor, Hulk, Black Widow. So now our list is created. Thanos, Thor, Hulk, Black Widow. Great. Not filtered yet though. We just created the list. So now I'm going to click on Sort. I'm going to click Let it expand the selection. And in this drop down right here, I'm going to click Custom List. And there's my custom list. I'm going to hit OK. And I want to sort on values, and I want to sort by superhero, and I'm going to hit OK, and voila, Thanos, Thor, Hulk, Black Widow, and there is my target table, and it is exactly the same. So what I can do from here is just copy this over and paste these as values. Obviously I shouldn't have copied that, but you get the idea. So that's how you sort and filter using lists in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message. Cheers!